Ever wish to zoom out of the image you already took? Nano Banana Pro can do it for you, and here's how. Head to gemini.google.com and upload the image that you wish to zoom out and click on this Add Files button, and you can add your file by uploading it from your device locally or from your drive, or you can also import it from your photos. After adding your image, click Create Images from the tools and make sure that the Thinking with 3 Pro model is being selected. And then enter the prompt which says to zoom out of the image and reveal the full surrounding and extend the background naturally so that it looks realistic. Also, it tells to not change the subject. So let's see how the result will turn out. Just hit enter and wait for the image creation. The image has done generating, and here's how it has turned out, and it looks quite realistic with extended background and everything. Now to download this image, you can click on the download button on top here, or you can simply copy the image, or you could share it to different application using the share image button. And if you're not happy with the result, you can ask the model to recreate the image for you by clicking on this redo button here. Lastly, here's the comparison between the before and the after image. Here's the before image and here is the after image.